Bringing it back here to Colorado, NASA is teaming up with Lockheed Martin to search for alien life. According to our partners at the Gazette, the space agency wants to build a next-generation telescope called the Habitable Worlds Observatory. Experts are discussing the project this week at the Space Symposium here in Colorado Springs. NASA has found thousands of planets orbiting other stars, but scientists, they've never found an Earth-like planet. This new observatory will directly image distant solar systems. And speaking of space, let's go live to meteorologist Alan Rose. He's at the Space Symposium at the Broadmoor with a look at our forecast. Good morning, Alan.
Tony, I thought you were going to say the Space Camp graduate Alan Rose, but I'll take it nonetheless. Good morning to you as well, my friend, and to our viewers tuning in from home. A beautiful start to the day here at the Broadmoor Resort, and in fact, a beautiful sunrise throughout southern Colorado. Lots of great viewer photos streaming into the newsroom. Casey working behind the scenes. That would be meteorologist Casey Dorn. Threw this one into my show. That's a spring sunrise taken this morning from Pueblo West. That photo from our News 5 viewer Kevin Frank. And this one, a Divide sunrise sent to us by Kim Schumart. Pretty right now with not a lot of wind, but we're tracking some weather changes into the afternoon to evening. There's going to be rain and snow for some parts of the state. Unfortunately for us, more high fire danger threats. Red flag warning back under effect from 11 a.m. until 8 o'clock. Today it includes most of I-25 in the eastern plains. Peak gust up around 45 miles per hour. We have some low-hanging clouds across the summit of Pikes Peak this morning. Current temp in the Springs, right around 49 degrees. A little bit chillier than that up into Monument Hill, 41 there. 47 for our friends in Denver, 38 in Woodland Park with some lower 50s in place out towards Pueblo. Now today we will be tracking an incoming cold front. Ahead of the front, the wind is going to be strongly out of the southwest. And notice on Futurecast here as winds peak into the early to mid-afternoon hours, they will be strongest from Alamosa through the Sangres, the Wet Mountain Valley, the Wet Mountains, and the southern I-25 corridor. North of that front, we get more of a northwest wind, and winds will be breezy to gusty in the Springs today again, but not quite as strong as what we'll see south of Highway 50. The cold front, only part of the equation. We're also tracking two areas of low pressure. The one over southern Utah this morning is going to move from southwest to northeast, and most of that rain and snow is just going to miss us here in southern Colorado. You can see on the satellite radar for now, we are getting some moisture popping up into parts of Teller County and Park County. When I looked earlier, that wasn't reaching the ground, so I'm going to check things out again and give you an update here coming up in a few minutes. But I think into Teller County and northern El Paso County, there could be some occasional rain and snow showers today with minimal impacts. Areas out west, areas to our north, that's where we'll see the bulk of the moisture as we make our way towards Tuesday evening and that system pulls away, drying skies statewide. Highs today down about 5 to 10 degrees from what we saw yesterday. The warmest air is still into the eastern counties. For I-25, most of us today warming to the 60s or very low 70s. Now in the Springs today will be around 65 degrees. And yes, we're back under that red flag warning. We'll get a break from the wind and the fire danger Wednesday with fire weather watches already being issued Thursday because of more wind and very dry air. Now on Friday, our next cold front arrives. And as we head towards the evening hours, rain changing to snow. And there could be some light accumulations in town. In Pueblo, you're a little bit warmer than the Springs, but I think you get some rain changing to a wintry mix by Friday night. Check out your lows Saturday morning. A spring freeze on the way with your low down to 23. Warming highs expected, especially by Sunday afternoon. Canyon City will be back to the 70s Wednesday to Thursday with highs dropping to the upper 50s by Saturday. And in Woodland Park, again, some occasional or spotty rain and snow showers today. Another chance for snow with a few inches of accumulation possible as we head towards Friday night.